Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to my channel Crypto English. So hi guys, in today's video we're going to talk about very important video for Indian crypto users. This is going to be about how to calculate your income tax on crypto profits and how to file your income tax returns. So everything will be covered in this video. Watch this video till end. I'll be covering multiple things with a complete detailed demo. So before starting the video, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to this channel. If you like the video, click the like button. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. And this video like that is 500 likes, so definitely click the like button right away. So let's begin the video, guys. So guys, most importantly, this video is specifically for Indian crypto users who are planning to file their IT returns. So last date for IT returns filing is 31st of this month. So before starting that, I posted a couple of tweets on my Twitter mentioning a couple of other things like 26 AS and a couple of other things. So in this video, before going to ITR filing, there are two requirements you should keep ready so that your IT returns filing will be smooth. So first one is 26 AS. So 26 AS is basically your list of TDS which is advanced tax credited through your PAN number. So that will be checked in 26 AS. If you've done any tradings or crypto trading activities in Indian exchanges like WazirX, BitBNS or any other Indian exchange, you need to go to this 26 AS and check which all transactions were reported here, and you need to find out if you have if there are any sell transactions where you booked some profit. You need to report them. So I'll show you first how to download this. Then we'll go to the next part of the video, which is preparing the complete crypto trading activity of your of you in the last financial year. So let's start with 26 AS. So find out the 26 AS, you have to go to income tax portal. Click on you have to log into your PAN. Then you need to click on e-filing. Under income tax returns, you have to select view form 26 AS. Just click that. It will click on confirm. It will redirect to traces page of TDS. So just agree and proceed. Then you just click on the specific link here. Then you need to select the assessment year. So assessment year for current assessment year is 23-24, which will be having the financial information of financial year 22-23. Then under view as, select HTML, click on view download. Then you can click on export as PDF. So once you click that, you will be able to open this PDF similar to this. So here you can see there are some transactions which section 194S. So these are the transactions which belongs to crypto activity. So for example, here you can see Buy Hatke International Private Limited has reported around 5 transactions. The total amount, DDS paid, everything will be shown here. And you can see this is 194S. And if you don't know what Buy Hatke is, you just need to Google that. You will get the exchange name. So this is actually BitBNS exchange. Then if you scroll down, I have another activity also which was recorded in Indian exchange, which is Zanmai Lab. So this belongs to WazirX. So you can see the amount I've done for a test transaction. Here you can see under 194 section means payment of for transfer of virtual digital assets. So now that is 26 AS. So now whatever transactions visible under 26 AS, you have to find out if you made any sell transactions and any profits. Then you have to definitely declare them in while you are doing the IT returns filing. That is the first part. So now second part, so you need to take record of all your crypto transactions which you are doing in MetaMask, which you are doing on Binance, KuCoin or any other exchanges which are not reflected in 26 AS. You have to prepare them manually. So this is the best way. So I made a sample sheet for you guys. So this link will be in the description below. You can download this and prepare this file. This is basically for every year you need to maintain this record so that it will be easy to file your IT returns. So this have basic requirements like, for example, first column is coin. So which token you are buying or selling. This is not mandatory for IT returns, but this is for your reference. Then we have exchange or wallet, which is Binance exchange or any specific MetaMask wallet. You can refer that here. This is also for your reference. And this remaining 5 columns, these are mandatory columns you need to keep with you so to make the IT returns filing online. So first thing is a date of acquisition or buy. So date of acquisition is nothing but at what date you purchased, and cost of acquisition or buy, which means at what price you purchase. For example, this transaction on Binance exchange, I purchased a BTC worth of 10,000 rupees on 1st March 2023, and then date of transfer or sell, which means I have sold this BTC which I purchased at 10,000 rupees on 15th March, and considerable received or sell. So how much amount I have received, so which means at what price I have sold, that is 20,000. So now profit for this trade is 20,000 minus 10,000, which is 10,000 rupees. So this is how you have to keep the record of all your transactions. I'll give a couple of other examples. For example, let's say you have received some airdrop. So you have received Arbitrum airdrop, and you mentioned that Arbitrum airdrop was done on 23rd March 2023, and then you have acquisition buy price is 0, so which means we are getting it for free. And then date of sell, if you are selling this particular token on 25th March 2023 and considerable receive amount, so I've sold it for 1 lakh rupees, which means my profit is 1 lakh minus 0, which is 1 lakh rupees. So this is how you have to calculate. Now this is if you are doing with INR. In case if you are doing it with crypto to crypto trading, for example, let's say you have converted your BTC to Ethereum on a specific day. So let's see how you can feed that into this Excel sheet. So first is BTC. I'm using Binance Exchange. Date of acquisition or buy is 1st March 2023. I purchased it for 10,000 rupees, and transfer or sell of this asset on 15th March. I sold it, or I converted this BTC on 15th March, which was valued at 20,000 rupees, which means I made a profit of 10,000 rupees, and I converted 20,000 worth of BTC to Ethereum that day. So which means the first transaction is sell transaction, and at the same time you have to add the Ethereum buy transaction because you are converting BTC to Ethereum. So Ethereum you will enter Binance. So this date of acquisition will be the sell of the previous one because both are done at the same time. So 15th March, and the cost of acquisition will be the sell value of the previous one, which is 20,000. So now this is how you have to maintain the record. So now Ethereum, if you are not selling, you need not to show all those details in this financial year. Whenever you are selling on that financial year, you have to show that. So now let's say you are ready with your 26AS and this particular Excel sheet ready. Now we are ready to file the income tax. So let's go to income tax filing website, register, sign in, and then you can click on e-filing on the top, click on income tax returns, and then under that you have to select file income tax returns. Just click that. You'll get to this page. Here you have to select the current assessment year, which is 23-24, select online, click on continue. Then click on start new filing, then select individual, click on continue. Then here you have the 4 types of ITR. You need to select ITR 2. So ITR 2 is basically any capital gains if you have in your last financial year income, you have to declare that under ITR 2. In ITR 1, if you are selecting, you will not be getting any option to show your cryptocurrency profits or equity profits or anything, any other capital gain. So let's select ITR 2, click on proceed with ITR 2, and then click on let's get started, and then select the first option, taxable income is more than the basic exemption. Then click on continue, and then you have to select a certain amount of schedules. So first one is general tab, on left side you have to select income. Under that you have to select VDA, virtual digital asset schedule. So in this, if you tick mark this, then only you will be able to view these records where you can input your profit and loss. Just select it, go up, and remaining rest all will be default, let it be like that. So just click on general and then click on continue, then click on continue. Now you'll get an option, so you can click on skip the questions. So now click on OK. Now you have to complete one by one schedule each and everything. So first let's start with part A, which is the general information, which will have your personal details like name, address, contact details, account details, everything. So after verifying that, just click on confirm. So in case if anything is missing, it will ask you with the red pop-up. So just select that. This will be you are in India for 180 days or more. Select that, and then this FII or FPI will be no, and then click on confirm. Now first one is confirm. Then second one is scheduled salary. So in case if you have any salary income, you can just select that. Already through your form 16, these details would have been auto populated. In case if you don't have salary, just click on confirm. Now that is also confirmed. So now schedule 112A is any details related to capital gains on equity. Just click on confirm if you don't have anything. Then finally you have the schedule VDA. So this is the one we have to focus on, which is virtual digital asset. So this is basically I'm showing only for the user who is having virtual digital asset. If you have any other income, you have to show on specific heads respectively. Now under VDA, just click on add details, and now we need to add all the details of our financial year from our Excel what we have prepared. So in case if you have 100, you have to enter 100 details of all your 100 trades. So that you should keep in mind. So now just in case if this financial year you are not having any Excel sheet, I would recommend you guys to start preparing this Excel so that it will be easy for you in the next financial year. So now let's start with the first transaction, date of acquisition 1/3/2023. So just select date of acquisition. Here you have to select 1st March 2023. In date of transfer, as per this our sheet 15/3/2023, so just select 15/3/2023, and cost of acquisition is 10,000 and sold at 20,000. So let's enter those details. 10,000 is the cost acquisition, cost consideration received is 20,000. So this is how you have to enter each and every trade transaction of your last financial year, which is April 1st 2022 to 31st March 2023. Now after entering these details for this trade, it will automatically show you the income end, which is 10,000. Just click on add. Now let's add the second record also. As per our sheet, second record we had a loss of 1,000 rupees. Just click on add another. Then again give the date of acquisition, which will be Feb 1st, date of transfer 13 March, then enter the cost of acquisition 10,000 and sold it for 9,000. So now in this case you have to observe, so now the net profit is minus 1,000 rupees, but that minus will not be shown here in the form. In the case of cryptocurrency, it will be shown as 0 because there is no loss offset. So just click on add now. So once you add that, you can see both the records which you added. For the first transaction, you can see income gained is 10,000, and for second transaction it is shown as 0, which means there is no loss offset. In the same case, if it is a equity trade, so first trade profit and second trade loss, in the equity trade if you are filing, it will be showing 1,000 rupees here, and net income will be after deducting the loss, so which will be 9,000. So now in crypto we don't have that privilege, so it will be there won't be loss offset. Now many users have the long term short term gain details. So in crypto there is no difference between long term or short term. Let me add you one more trade which will be of 1 or 2 years old, so that you will get a clear idea. So it will be considered the same capital gain under VDA. So now I'll just enter 10,000, 15,000. All these numbers are imaginary, guys. This is not specific to my or any other member. So it's just an example. So now you can see total earning from crypto for this particular example is 15,000. So now this is how you have to enter. So in this example I have shown only 3. So you have, if you have 100 or 200 transaction, you have to file all those things. Now just click on confirm once you enter the details. Now you just need to complete other schedule. Just select the schedule, click on confirm. You can, if you have any other details, you can cross check and just keep clicking confirm. So you can also observe that there are some schedules for capital gain loss. It will be carry forward also. So that option is also there for equity. So after reading everything, finally we will land into this important point, which is part BIT. So part BIT TI, so which is the total income of your financial year. So which will include all your salaried income, capital gains, other income, or any other income you made in this last financial year. So now if we scroll down, you can see my capital gains is around 15,000. This is an example. So income from other sources is shown as 90,000. So total income for this financial year is, in this account, it is only 94,683 rupees. So now just click on confirm. Then finally you have tax paid. You can click if you paid any TDS. All those details will be shown here. Already I paid some 7,000 in this account. Just click on confirm. And finally we will select part B TTI, which is the tax liability on total income. So this is where you will see the actual amount of tax you will be liable to pay. So now if you see here, payable on demand total income is 0. So tax payable is 0. So amount payable is completely 0, and I'll be getting a refund of 7,800 because this particular user's total earning for the financial year is less than 2.5 lakhs, which means including salary or including every earning, that income is below 2.5 lakhs, means you will be exempted with the tax. You can just proceed and file the IT verification and you need not pay any tax. So remember guys, in case if you are an individual with your total earning including crypto, if it is less than 2.5 lakhs, then you need not pay any tax, but you can file the ITR and declare that you made so much income, but you need not pay anything. In case if your income is crossing 2.5 lakhs, then you have to pay the income tax. So now you can see that I'll get a refund. After this, in the next screen, I just need to click on preview returns and submit, and then my IT returns will be completed. But just for an example, what I'll show you is another user login. I'll just show you what will be shown if you are having any payable amount. So you can see amount payable for this account. This is a different account, guys. So it is having 53,842. So now I need to make this payment right now. So in the bottom, you can see pay now button right now. So I'll just select this option as no, and then just click on pay now. It will be redirected to the payment gateway page where you will select the payment option like net banking, card or UPI and make the payment After the payment is done, you need to download the challan and keep the details and come back to this page and claim your income tax. So after that, just click on continue. It will go to the payment page, and again it will redirect back to the same filing page where you have left. So you can see I made the payment. I'm not showing the payment screen. It redirect back to my income tax page where I need to click on proceed to preview. So now I can click on proceed to preview and I'll see that validation successful. Now I just need to click on proceed to verification. Here I need to do the e-verification, which is through our Aadhaar linked OTP. So I'll just select the first option, e-verify now, click on continue, and then there are multiple options. I'll select the first one. I would like to verify with the OTP mobile linked with the Aadhaar number. So just select this, and then you will get a confirm. Then you will get a OTP to your registered number with your Aadhaar linked to this PAN. Just click on accept, generate Aadhaar OTP. You'll get 6-digit OTP. Just enter that OTP here and validate, and finally you'll get the submission page, confirm submission of returns. Just click on submit and your income tax will be filed successfully. So now I can see successfully filed our income tax returns. This is how simple it is. So that's all. Now just click on go to dashboard and you can see your status. So assessment year 23-24 filing is successful, but it is processing at income tax end, so it might take 1 week to 2 weeks time, and after that these 2 tick marks will be available, which means you are good to go and we have successfully completed our income tax returns filing. So that's all guys. That's about how you can pay your income tax return. So you need to maintain this Excel sheet. This is very important to declare your income which are not happening in any Indian exchange, so that will be useful for your tracking also. So that's all guys. That's how you make this income tax return. So I made a complete detailed guide on this. So if this video was useful or helpful, do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and in case if you want the same video, it is available in 2 languages, in Hindi and even in Telugu. So I have 2 other channels, so Crypto Hindi or Crypto Telugu. You can follow these 2 channels if you want to get the same video in other language. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.